Hello friends, in today's video, we will make a powerful DC voltage regulator, an adjustable power supply that can deliver up to 25 volts and 2.5 ampere. This simple and powerful circuit requires very few components and can be easily assembled at home. This regulated power supply is ideal for testing and powering various electronic components during prototyping stages. The power transistor must be mounted on a proper heat sink to effectively dissipate heat. Detailed circuit diagram and PCB images are available through the link provided in the description. You can find the comprehensive circuit diagram and PCB image demonstration at the end of the video. Ensure proper soldering on the PCB for reliable connections and optimal performance. To check the performance of this project, create a test setup wiring following the diagram displayed on the screen. You can download this diagram from the link provided in the video's description. After ensuring all components are in place, apply input voltage up to 30 V to the power supply's input. Create a test setup wiring as per the diagram provided in the link. You can find all the necessary diagrams at the end of the video as well. This circuit provides an adjustable and stabilized output voltage. You can smoothly adjust the voltage from as low as 1 volt to a maximum of 25 volts, ensuring a consistently stable output. This circuit can deliver nearly 60 watts of power at the output. Additionally, you can increase its output current to up to 5 amperes by replacing the power transistor T1 by 2 N3055 power transistor, all without requiring any further modifications to the circuit. Ensure to pay extra attention to the heatsink for effective dissipation of heat from the power transistor. You can download this diagram from the link provided in the video's description. You have the option to create your own PCB for this project using the provided diagrams. For learning purposes, if you wish to construct this project on a breadboard, you can follow our videos provided in the links. Alternatively, for the VeriBoard project of the same circuit, you can refer to our video guide. All the video links are available in the description.